Welcome back to Unraveling the Roots, the series where we explore the connections between the Americas and Africa. Today, we're traveling to the beautiful country of Peru to uncover the African influences that have shaped its unique culture, music, art, architecture, fashion, religion, dance, and language. Join us as we delve into the fascinating links between Peru and various African countries and tribes. Peru's African heritage can be traced back to the transatlantic slave trade when enslaved Africans were brought to the region by Spanish colonizers. However, some researchers believe that there could have been connections predating this period. This may be evidenced by the accounts of European explorers who reported seeing black natives in the Americas and similarities in pottery and architecture between the two regions. Peruvian culture has been significantly influenced by African elements, particularly in the Afro-Peruvian community. Their unique dialect, heavily influenced by African languages, has enriched the linguistic landscape of the country. Words like sambo, referring to people of mixed African and indigenous heritage, and festejo, a festive Afro-Peruvian musical genre, are derived from African roots. Afro-Peruvian music and dance showcase the rich African heritage in Peru. One example is the traditional Peruvian dance known as La Marinera, which has roots in both African and Spanish cultures. Another popular dance, El Festejo, celebrates Afro-Peruvian culture and heritage, featuring rhythmic foot-stomping and body movements reminiscent of African tribal dances. The unique blend of African rhythms and traditional Andean instruments creates a captivating sound in Afro-Peruvian music. The cajon, a box-shaped percussion instrument originally brought to Peru by enslaved Africans, has become a symbol of Afro-Peruvian culture and is now widely used in various musical genres in Peru. Peruvian cuisine is a delicious fusion of flavors, and African influences are evident in many traditional dishes. Anticuchos, skewered and grilled beef heart, can be traced back to West African cuisine, while taku taku, a dish made of rice and beans, is reminiscent of the African staple wakai. African religious practices have also left their mark on Peruvian spiritual life. In the Afro-Peruvian community, many people still practice a syncretic religion that combines elements of traditional African beliefs with Catholicism. This fusion is often seen in religious ceremonies and celebrations, where African-inspired rituals coexist with Catholic traditions. African artistic and architectural influences can be observed in various aspects of Peruvian culture. For example, some of the colonial-era churches in Lima feature intricate wood carvings inspired by African motifs. In the field of visual arts, renowned Afro-Peruvian artists like Victoria Santa Cruz have contributed to the rich tapestry of Peruvian art by incorporating African themes and styles into their work. Peruvian fashion has been influenced by African textiles and patterns, particularly in the Afro-Peruvian community. The vibrant colors, intricate designs, and bold patterns found in traditional African fabrics have been incorporated into Peruvian clothing, celebrating the diverse cultural heritage of the country. In dance and fashion, the African roots of Peru's vibrant culture come to life. Traditional Afro-Peruvian dances like El Festejo and La Marinera showcase the rhythmic and expressive movements of African dance. While the clothing worn during these performances often features bright colors and patterns reminiscent of African textiles. It's clear that the connections between Peru and Africa go beyond the surface, deeply embedded in the cultural, artistic, and historical fabric of the nation. As we continue to explore the rich tapestry of Afro-Peruvian heritage, we celebrate the resilience and beauty of a culture that has thrived despite the challenges it has faced. As we've seen, the connections between Peru and Africa are diverse and multifaceted, spanning music, dance, cuisine, religion, art, architecture, fashion, and language. These connections are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Afro-Peruvian community, which has maintained its unique identity while enriching the broader Peruvian culture. By exploring these links between Peru and Africa, we can gain a deeper understanding of the global interconnectedness of cultures. And together we can celebrate the beauty that arises from the blending of different traditions and histories. Join us next time as we continue to unravel the roots of other countries in the Americas, uncovering the fascinating ties that bind them to Africa. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel of the African Diaspora for more exciting content.